Hi, and welcome to the REMAX Hallmark December and year-end 2016 Toronto Real Estate Market Report. It was an incredible year for sales numbers and average price increases, with records being broken almost every month. I'll comment more on that in this broadcast as we go through the market report. So let's review some of the Toronto Real Estate Board statistics and see what's happened. Sales were up dramatically for December compared to last year, with 5,338 houses and condominiums changing hands in all the districts. Sales were actually up 23% above the last 5-year monthly average. Condo, townhouse, and high-rise suites took a 39.4% share of the market, with 2,101 units being sold. This percentage of the overall market is a bit above average for November. The December average sale price for all GTA homes came in at a record-breaking $730,472, a significant 20% higher than last year. Interestingly, sales and competition for condo suites has now brought the high-rise market into extremely high demand. The active listing inventory is one of the strongest indicators of how smooth or outrageous the market has been. We had a 58% decline in inventory for the month of December compared to historical numbers, and lower by 48% from last year at this time. The sales to listings, or percent chance of selling ratio, is how we determine what type of market we're actually in. 24 to 28% is a neutral market, below 24% is a buyer's market, and above 28% is a seller's market. In December, that ratio finished at 112.5%, compared to 54% last year. We're still in extreme seller market territory, and there's nothing really to change that going forward. The days on market average for Toronto homes was just 20. So let's look at what's happening in the downtown Toronto condominium market. West of Yonge and south of Bloor in the CO1 Treb district, the average sale price for December was $498,199. That average moved up 9% from the same time last year. With 316 condo sales in the month, the numbers were up 23% compared to 2015. There were just 310 active listings on the market in December, 64% fewer than last year. The ratio of sales to listings was 101.9%, which puts CO1 into extreme seller's market territory. The average days on market came in at 23, 3 days slower than last month. Now, east of Yonge and south of Bloor in the CO8 Treb district, the average sale price for December was just over $483,600. That number was up 9% compared to 2015. And with 98 condo sales in the month, the numbers were up 5% from last year. There were 128 active listings on the market in December, down 36% from 2015. The ratio of sales to listings was 76.6% for the month. That number puts CO8 solidly into very hot seller market territory. The average days on market came in at 21, 2 days slower than last month. Here's a summary of the significant real estate milestones from December and year-end 2016. We saw the second highest ever number of overall sales for the month of December, and the highest ever December ratio of sales to listings for the market overall and for the downtown condo markets. Active listings were down to their lowest ever for the month of December, and there were the most condo sales ever for the month of December. There was a 17.3% average sale price increase from the 2015 average, and the highest ever 113,133 total sales in 2016, up by 11.8% from last year. The ratio of sales to listings has been the highest ever too. Overall market 112.5% versus 54.1% in 2015. But the downtown condo market saw dramatic increases too. CO1 rocked it with 101.9% this year versus 29.9% in 2015. And CO1 came in at 76.6% versus 46.5% last year. First-time buyer aspirations are now shifting to a condominium lifestyle, We're predicting a higher demand for 1+ den and 2-bedroom suites to accommodate small families. This month we're looking at the graphic for Toronto MLS average sale price from 2006 to present. The percentage change year over year was modest for 9 of those 10 years, around 9.5% average annually since 2011, but 2016 made a big jump of 17.3% in just 12 months. Imagine if you'd listened to some of the market naysayers 5 to 10 years ago and not jumped into the market. You'd have missed out on an incredible 107% price increase in that period of time. Pay attention to this because those people are still around. It's not too late to get into the market and you still should. Even if that annual price increase percentage drops back to 5%, that's still a very acceptable number and it sure beats renting. We're predicting that sales numbers and prices for larger downtown 1+ den and 2-bedroom suites will be up big time again next year as people realize that they might need to plan for a longer stay in the condo lifestyle before moving, if they ever do, to a house with a backyard. So what's the best way to make your first baby step into the Toronto or GTA real estate market? Make a call or send an email to your favorite REMAX Hallmark professional and set up a conversation over a coffee to discuss what your buying or selling options going forward might be. Remember to check back here in early February for our January 2017 Toronto Real Estate Market Report.